caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the...
Hey everyone, this is Eric, back a couple days later. Got the battery for this Infinity G25 right there. I'm gonna put it in, take it for a test drive, see how it is, and go from there. All right, we're gonna get the EverStart battery. Carry it over here to the G25. Yeah, looking good with the clear coat. Missing, but let's pop this hood and get it ready. We're gonna get a 10mm ratchet socket and get that ready. Throw that in there and put the battery hold down back down, which I think is just sitting in this passenger seat. Let's kind of throw it in here for now, I think. It was in there. I'll find it. Okay, who's on the driver's side? This battery hold down, get that ready. Okay, so the right way to get this battery, this like slides out and it's like a little clip right here. It just pops out of place. So basically you just pop this out, slide this, and now we can put the battery in. Whoa. So we're gonna take that off and dump it in here. We're gonna put this battery hold down, and it's just like a little hole down here, and then hole right there. Put it right there. Make sure I don't blow up the battery. All right, so we're gonna take 10mm and tighten this down both ways. And then we'll get this nice and snug here and do this side. Then we'll put this little fuse relay back in its place and get the negative and the positive terminals tightened. So got that, and this just slides back in. I probably didn't have to move this thing, just didn't know how to fix it. So if I put that on, let's go ahead and see about getting the negative. Here it goes right there. Then we can slide this positive on. The car should come alive. There we go. We'll slide that down right there. And then we're gonna turn this just a little bit so I can tighten it up. I may use a wrench on that. All right, so now I just need to slide this back in its place and snap that back in. It's gonna probably take two hands. Ooh, two hands. So let me work on that. Clown car. All right, so I went and popped this in, and this just slides right on top of it. You just push that down, and basically we're just gonna put all the little necessary little fasteners to pop this in here in its place. One there, and then looks like, I don't know if some go there or not. So we're gonna go ahead and finish it out. All right, we're gonna see this bad boy move down the street. We're gonna see how this is. Wait, stick this thing in here. Is that what it does? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna press start. Oh, I gotta put my foot on the brake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. She's a little dirty though. Need a good cleaning. What? Oh, that seat's got a rip in it. I wonder if I can fix that. Yeah, it's gonna need a good cleaning. Let's see what happens though. Let it run and kind of idle down. She runs good. It probably has got old gas in it. Probably just need to be ran. What a rat. I think we might have fixed it. I got it in drive. Go forward a little bit. See how she is. Brakes definitely. I think it's gonna work, man. It's not cutting off. I think we fixed it. Oh yeah. I mean, she's running. It says the trunk's open. Let me put it in park real quick. Backup camera works. Seatbelt warning light on. I probably gotta clear some codes out of this thing. I'll probably work on that next. It says the trunk's open. Oh yeah, it is open. Look at this stuff. Where's all this stuff? There we go. All right. Take it for a spin, man. This is the best part. We're gonna take it for a spin, okay? I feel like I got a blown tire, man. Let me pull off to the side. Let's see. They feel like a tire's about to pop. Dude, I'm gonna let y'all listen to this so y'all can hear it. It's like I got a flat tire or something weird. Yeah, it sounds really weird. It may just be the brakes. Grabbing. Do some hard stops, man. I think that might be what it is. It's just the brake rust. Yeah, that's what it is. I thought the tire was flat, but it's just the brake rust grabbing. Well, the AC works nice and cold. Things feel like a bumpy ride. I feel like I'm doing this back and forth. Probably because the tires need to be inflated. I think we're going to try to stop by a gas station and fill up the air of the tires. Yeah, I definitely got probably one tire that's a little low, and then hopefully we're just driving it will wear all that brake rust off the rotors, man, because this sounds horrible, dude. I mean, I would get pulled over in a second with this thing. You know, especially in this nice neighborhood. These people looking at me crazy like something's wrong. So I'm gonna try to make it to a gas station. I just want to make sure like the wheel wasn't gonna fall off or nothing, you know what I mean? And let's turn this down right here. The radio works. It needs a good cleaning, man, but this is a $500 car, dude. Like all day, like this is the way it's sitting, dude. Like this ain't no $1,500 car. I mean, I had to put $500 in and sweat equity. So man, let's put some air in it. We'll go back to the house. All right, so over here I pulled up to the Circle K, man. I'm gonna use this $2 air machine to go through and inflate all these tires. Yeah, this one's definitely low, bro. I mean, it's about to blow if I don't put some air in it. And definitely need to inflate the fronts. So I'm gonna go check all these tires real quick. All right, so you open up the door, it tells you, I think right around here, yeah, 33 PSI. So that's what we're gonna put it to. All right, so we went ahead and set it 33. Basically just put it on here till we get it aired up. And it'll say, dude, that thing was at 16, man. Y'all can see that. Pump this thing up. This thing is about to blow the sidewall. Need a lot of air. It's only at 17 right now. Man, this machine right here is a ripoff, man. It won't even let me put $2 in to get all 4 tires. And it's enough to do 1 tire at a time. Well, I got rid of the TPMS light, so now everything looks clean, man. There's no check engine light so far. I think that cabin air filter that's over there needs to be changed out and needs a good cleaning. But it's running good. Same thing. Anyway, man, this thing is dirty as hell, dude. Like it's like something spilled. It's all on the carpet. I mean, it could get clean, man. You see how dirty this is? I don't even know what this is back here. It's some blue stuff that's just like turned to powder, bro. I mean, what the heck is that? I mean, look how dirty this thing is, man. This is gonna take some time to clean. Oh shoot, somebody about to get in an accident. And then trunk probably full of stuff too, you know? That's a camera. Oh, that's a camera. Is that the button? I guess I gotta unlock it. So all this gotta come out, man. I mean, dang. I mean, you gonna sell the car, man? You gotta get rid of all this. I don't even know what all this stuff is. I mean, what the heck? What is that? It's like a moldy book. I mean, all this gotta come out, bro. What the heck? Oh my god. So I'm gonna clean this thing out and do some before and after shots. Man, look at this trunk full of, I mean, it's full of this box, more trash, all these leaves up in here. I mean, all that's gotta get cleaned out, bro. It's been sitting for God knows how long. I mean, look at all this stuff. That'll cause a water leak. Oh, that's gotta come out. Oh, that's gotta come out. Oh my god.
Hey.